Welcome to my review of PartnerStack, an affiliate marketing platform that is gaining popularity for helping businesses scale their affiliate programs. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience using PartnerStack, its main features, and how it compares to other affiliate platforms in the market. PartnerStack is designed to help businesses manage and grow their affiliate, referral, and partnership programs seamlessly. It provides everything you need to track performance, manage affiliates, and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. As soon as you sign up and log in, the dashboard presents you with a clean and intuitive interface. On the left side, you'll find a menu that gives you access to key areas such as the marketplace, program management, analytics, and account settings. The first thing I noticed when using PartnerStack was how easy it was to navigate. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned affiliate marketer, everything is laid out clearly. You can quickly create and customize your affiliate programs by defining commission structures, setting up tracking, and adding promotional materials for your affiliates. What stands out about PartnerStack is its focus on automation. You can set up automated workflows to ensure that your affiliates are rewarded properly and on time. This feature is especially useful if you are managing multiple affiliate programs or have a large number of affiliates working with you. PartnerStack also offers detailed analytics that helps you track performance and optimize your campaigns. You can see how well your affiliates are performing, which campaigns are driving the most traffic and conversions, and where to adjust your strategy for better results. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video. These links can help you explore additional resources to maximize your affiliate marketing potential. One thing I appreciate about PartnerStack is its customer support. They offer live chat support, a knowledge base, and detailed tutorials, which make it easier to resolve issues and get help when needed. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced marketer, having reliable support is crucial, and PartnerStack does a great job in this area. The platform also integrates with several other tools you may already be using, such as payment processors, CRM systems, and email marketing platforms. This makes it much easier to sync your data and manage all aspects of your affiliate program in one place. Overall, my experience with PartnerStack has been positive. It's a user-friendly and feature-rich platform that can help you scale your affiliate programs efficiently. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for managing your affiliate marketing, PartnerStack is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on affiliate marketing.